All right, second grade, let's stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, second grade. Good morning, second grade. It's great to have you back with me on this fantastic Friday. We have a catch-up day, not a mustard day. This is a catch-up day. We are going to be focusing today on all the work that you may have missed through the week and just get our batteries recharged and get ready for next week, which is the week before vacation. So let's take a look at the agenda for the day. And I'll send myself into the corner. There we go. It actually worked this time. All right. So, good morning, everyone. Happy catch-up day. Here's my video for the day. You found it. And here's the link for our morning meeting at 9 o'clock. So I'd love to see everybody again. I saw almost everybody yesterday, and that was really awesome. So please try to join us again at 9 o'clock. We will do our morning meeting for about 20 minutes, and then we will transition right into work time, and I'll hang around until 10 o'clock for any questions that you might have. You'll see that there's no morning work today. For ELA, I have read to self for 30 to 40 minutes. I still want you reading today, so please find time to do that. Writing, I still have my mini lesson in here if you need it. I just didn't want you to lose that link. I would like you to finish your opinion letter. I see a lot of friends have already finished it, so if you haven't finished, please finish it. Your special today is music, and that's in the classwork tab. I'll show you that really quick. Head into the classwork tab. Specials, today is music. And what I did for you is I threw a link in here, and it should work. Click on it. Yep. And it's full of links that you can do, okay? Feel free to read his letter to you. Once you are done with your special, heading back to the stream, nothing for math today. Science, I'd like you to finish your science experiment and the lab report that I have in there for you to do. It's the one that you've been working on all week. Once you're done with that, that is your Friday, and you can enjoy some Friday free time and some time with your families. One more thing, if you're not too sure, maybe something got returned to you because it wasn't done with your best effort, or you just accidentally missed a morning work one day this week, I'll show you where to find it. Head into the classwork tab. At the very top, there's a little button called View Your Work. Click on that, and you can see a student has really not done a whole lot of work this week. So a student's going to try his best today to catch up as much as he can without stressing out too much. Remember, we don't want to be too stressed out over all this work. But we're going to look back at the beginning of the week, which starts with Monday. And there's this heat one down here, which is assigned, and that's the science. But before that is Thursday, last Thursday. If you're seeing stuff down here that's not done, please don't worry about it, okay? Anything that's below Thursday down, don't worry about it, okay? I want you to just worry about the stuff that was assigned this week, okay? And you can see when it was assigned and when it was due, and that's missing. And there's still some things in here that are assigned. Just means that they haven't been done yet. And they're not due yet. So make sure you're getting those done as well. Okay? So you can go in here, see what grades are left, and any comments that I may have made on your work. Okay, second grade. That's a quick one today. I look forward to seeing you all at 9 o'clock. We'll do something fun to start off the meeting, and then we'll hop right into any questions for the day, and we'll get you all set and ready for your Friday and get ready for next week. All right. See you later.